Imagine this. You finally decided to register on SAM.gov. You're pumped. You've got your paperwork ready, your business is legit, and you're excited to start bidding on federal contracts. But then it happens. Entity validation fails. Your bank throws a bank EFT mismatch error. You even discover a mysterious duplicate entity with your company name on it. And suddenly, what should have been a quick win feels like a bureaucratic nightmare. That's why in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 SAM.gov registration hurdles, including DBA versus legal name mistakes, cage code assignment issues, and broken UEI steps. And I'm going to show you the fast fixes that are going to save you weeks of frustration. So let's get into the number one issue that normally happens. IRS legal name versus what you typed in. Now, let's talk about Sarah. She's a small business owner who typed Acme Widgets LLC into SAM.gov. But the IRS had her down as Acme Widgets L.C. Those 3 missing dots, boom, validation fail. So what do you need to do? Don't guess. Open your IRS CP-575 or 147C letter and copy the name exactly. Punctuation, spacing, suffixes, all of it. If you have a trade name, DBA, put it in the DBA field, not the legal name field. Let's get to the next one. And this one is a little bit complicated. This is address mismatch, PO box, virtual mailbox. It's these type of things like a WeWork. Now, think about this for a second. We're going to talk about this same Sarah. She's clever. She's using a PO box as her main address. But SAM.gov needs a physical street address for entity validation. This also includes things like WeWork, community spaces. You have to have a physical address that's tied to you. Now, it gets even more complicated. Your IRS letter might say that you are registered at STE 200, while your utility bill says suite, spelled fully out, number 200. Well, keep it simple for the fast fix. Use a physical street address only and make sure every document, IRS, bank, lease, matches character for character. Think of it like TSA. Your ID has to match your boarding pass exactly. Let's get back a little bit into the names. You need to make sure that your DBA is in the legal name field. Now, this one breaks more hearts than you think. People love their brand name, so they put it in the legal name field. But SAM.gov doesn't care about your logo. It cares about your IRS record. What does that mean? Well, when you put the DBA name in the legal field, well, it breaks. See, your legal name goes in the legal field. Your DBA only belongs in the DBA field. Don't worry, your brand still shows up in public searches, but this is important so that you don't get a kickback. Let's talk about EIN mix-ups, new EIN not synced. If you've ever applied for an EIN and tried to register the same week, well, that often fails. The IRS and SAM.gov systems need time to talk to one another. So here's your little fast fix. Always use the EIN tied to your IRS legal name. If your EIN is new, give it a couple of weeks to sync across systems and keep your IRS letter handy. You'll need it if SAM.gov kicks back your submission. Let's get a little bit into that bank EFT mismatch. Well, this one is brutal. You're finally making it to the bank info stage, and SAM.gov says your account title doesn't match your entity name. You might have mistyped an account number. Either way, you're stalled. So here's your fast fix. Upload a bank letter or voided check showing your account number, routing number, and the exact entity name. If your bank account is under a DBA, make sure it's formally documented. There cannot be any shortcuts. Let's get into little bonuses. Well, this one happens sometimes and it's kind of spooky. You search SAM and you find your business twice. Usually it's from an old attempt or a third-party registration service. So here's a fast fix. Do not create another duplicate record. Instead, contact support and request a merge of the records. Otherwise, you're going to spend tons of time explaining why there are 2 of you. Last little bonus hurdle is what happens if you're changing your legal name mid-process of registering on SAM.gov? Well, this right here is something that is important. And I get why you might want to change your legal name, but SAM.gov is going to reject you. So here's your fast fix. Always update your legal name with the IRS first. Wait for the change to propagate, then update SAM.gov. Do it in that order. If not, you're going to be stuck in rejection limbo. And there you have it. The top 5 SAM.gov registration hurdles, plus a couple bonus traps. Now you know how to fix entity validation errors, bank EFT mismatches, duplicate entities, DBA versus legal name mistakes, cage code assignments, and UI/EI steps without wasting time. If you have any issues with this, please reach out to us at squaredcompass.com or comment below and we'll try to answer your questions.